Hey guys, proud to say I'm getting serious about the flexitarian thing. It's where you just eat a lot less meat. Um, I've kind of dabbled with it, but I didn't get really serious enough. So I still love meat. I'm still gonna eat it, but I'm just cutting it way down for health and also for spiritual reasons. So I'm gonna try to make vegetarian food the main part of my diet, but I still am gonna eat meat every day. I just not as much. So let me know if you guys do this too.